What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I got a very good tip for you. Basically, it's a quick way for you to get a good protein breakfast in, whether you're in the dorms or in the office, wherever you are. I'll be right back. All right, so yeah, I'm excited about this. So if you've ever had one of those, or you're familiar with one of those meals, just break an egg or just crack an egg or something like that, well, I was turned on to that, and basically I tried it out and realized I probably could do that at home. And again, I don't know if this has been done before, but anyways, I just experimented with my own concoction at home, and it turned out awesome, excellent, way better than just break an egg or just crack an egg or whatever it's called. But it's better than that. Not throwing any shade on that, because that's great for when if you need convenience or something like that. So I'm not down talking that at all, but once you try this, I think you'll love it. I think you're gonna just probably go with this over that. And you can just throw some things together, take it into the office, or if you're in a dorm and you don't have a stove, but you definitely have a microwave, this is gonna be great for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. All right, so here are the ingredients for this. So I had some Kobe Jack, pepper jack cheese here. I like the spiciness of it. I got some deli fresh honey ham here, and I got a couple strips of already cooked bacon, nitrate free, and here I have 3 eggs. So what you first want to do is go ahead and beat the eggs up, get them nice and scrambled. Then right after that, go ahead and break up your cheese for the eggs, break up the ham. Then I go ahead and break up the bacon. You can add some peppers to it if you want, green peppers and onions, or red pepper, or make it a Southwest. Season it with salt and pepper if you want, to your liking. Then you just go ahead and mix that all up, get it nice and ready, scramble it on up, get it ready for the microwave. So for the microwave portion here, what I did is I went 30 seconds at a time. But what you can do is go ahead and it depends on how you like your scrambled eggs. I did mine 30 seconds at a time, but I realized it wasn't enough. But what you want to do is whatever intervals you figure out is best. You could start at 30, depends on your microwave, but figure out which intervals is best for you, and then go ahead and after it's done, scramble it up each time. That way you get it nice and mixed in there, and it cooks evenly. Then after a few iterations of that, you're done. All right, guys. So hopefully that helped you out. Now that meal right there is good it's keto friendly. It's good for dorms and offices and on the go. You can just put your ingredients in a bag and take it with you. Also, something I want you to know is that there were hardly any carbs in that, but there were about 460 calories in that, because it was 3 eggs, 2 slices of cheese. It was 2 slices of bacon and about 2 slices of ham, all scrambled up there. And it was about 36 grams of protein, all right, the way that I fix it there. So make sure that, you don't have to use the same ingredients I used. This is just to give you a quick tip, a quick idea, something to get you going so you can get your protein in. I use this after my workouts, after I had my cell tech, where it's high carbs, right? High carb, no protein in that. But then when I eat my breakfast, then this is what I eat quite a few days of the week. All right. So if this video helped you, hopefully it helped you. Hopefully it gave you some good ideas. It could save you some money and get you some good food that you prepare yourself. Something good for you, again, for your dorm room, keto friendly. But please give me a big thumbs up on this. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.